Hey Nathan, come here. Gone to where you gone, man? Where you gone, buddy? Come here, Nathan. 7, 7. Do you wear your shirt, man? Why? You don't like to wear your shirt? Huh? Go and wear your shirt, man. Why? You don't like to wear your shirt? Go and wear your shirt, Nathan. Huh? Oh, you hungry? Huh? You hungry, Shravan? Nathan, what are you eating? You like peanuts to eat? You like it? What kind of peanuts that is? Huh? That's a regular peanut? Nathan, that's a regular peanuts, man? Okay. What are you eating, man? That's Nathan. Shavan, what are you playing on computer? Huh? What are you playing, man? Shavan, look at daddy. What are you playing on computer? Roblox? You like it? Okay. Nitin, you like the peanuts? Is it tasty? Okay, man. You hungry, Nitin? Where you want to go to eat? Huh? You don't know?